In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink to signature in Outlook. 5 minutes. Let's get your signature looking professional and clickable. We'll do this in the Outlook web app, and I'll walk you through each click so nothing gets missed. First, open Outlook in your browser and sign in. Once your inbox loads, look to the top right for the gear icon to open Settings. This is where Outlook keeps most personalization options. In the Settings panel, choose Accounts. From there, go to Signature. This opens the place where all your existing signatures live and where you can update them. If you have more than one signature, select the one you want to update. Make sure you're editing the correct one you use for new messages or replies, depending on your preference. Next, click Edit Signature to open the editor. You'll see a formatting toolbar. Think of it like a mini word processor for your email footer. In the editor window, type the text you want to turn into a link. This might be something like visit our website, your company name, or a call to action such as book a meeting. Highlight that exact text so Outlook knows what should become clickable. Now on the formatting toolbar, click Insert. From the insert options, choose Link, then select Insert Hyperlink. This opens a small dialog box where you'll add the destination. In the address field, enter the full URL you want people to visit. Be sure to include the proper prefix, typically https:// so the link works reliably across different email apps. If there's a field showing the display text, confirm it matches what you highlighted. This is how the link will appear in your signature. When the address looks correct, click OK to apply the link to your selected text. You should see it styled as a hyperlink in the editor. Finally, click Save to store your updated signature. This is an easy step to overlook, and without saving, your changes won't carry over to new emails. From now on, when you compose a new message or reply, depending on how you've set your signature to appear, the linked text will be clickable for your recipients. If you don't see the update right away, give the page a quick refresh and try composing a new message to confirm. That's it, you navigated to Settings, opened Accounts and Signature, edited your signature, inserted a hyperlink and saved your changes.